Mama, mag-buy ka ng baby chair kasi hindi old na si Cheese.
Hello, buy ka na ng baby chair. Baby chair, yung upuan ng baby.
Pag-backward ang chair ko, ipit ko ang 2 feet dyan, magiging baby.
Oo, sige na. Oh, baby. Are you a baby?
Yes.
You want a baby brother?
Yes.
Or a baby sister?
Ang friend ng baby sister ay ang friend ng baby boy Chase.
You want a baby brother?
No, but I want a baby sister kasi friend lang yan ng baby Chase.
You want a baby sister?
Yes, kaya friend yan ng baby Chase.
Friend lang?
Yes.
No, you will be Kuya Chase. You want to be a Kuya Chase?
Hindi, but hindi na ako old. Baka hindi na si Chase old.
Ayaw mo magiging kuya?
Yes, kasi hindi pa ako old eh.
Di ka pa old. Saka ka na magkaroon ng baby sister pag old ka na. Baby ka pa ba? Ano, baby pa siya.
Hindi pa. Yes.